Hi guys, good morning. I thought I would start the day with a little dermaflash because I haven't flashed in a while. Hold your skin taut, turn it on, and go for it. Also, I already pre-cleansed with their pre-cleanser. It's a natural exfoliator. I do it like, I try to go once a week, but it's so soft. I wish you could feel my skin right now. It's so soft, but as you can see, no hair. Sometimes I get a lot and I'm like showing everybody that I could knit a sweater with the extra hair. It really makes your skin so much better for makeup. Now I'm putting on Celavive eye cream. It's very dry here. I'm gonna fill in my brows with a little bit of this Anastasia palette. The Lorac primer. I'm just gonna apply this with my finger all over my lid. I'm gonna use the golds. This is like a taupe color. It's called Kid. So I have hooded eyes, so when you're putting it on, you wanna pull them up. When I go like this, I'm hooded, but when I go like this, they're not. Let's take this gold color. Place it all over the lid. Yes, gold, gold, gold. Now we'll blend a little bit in case it got a little messy. I think we'll use this Chanel. So this is one of their Lumiere Tom Ford, and it's a little bit of color. And I'm just putting a little right there in the front of the lid, and then maybe a little bit right here. I'm gonna do a little eyeliner. Use your face as an anchor. Instead of trying to do it all in one swoop, do little dashes. The shorter end is gonna blend in with your lashes. The longer end is gonna flare out. And then you just go in like this, and ta-da, and we'll let it dry. That's how easy it is. Just do like a little lift. We'll just let it dry. Now when you're pulling it out from the pack, make sure you're really careful because you can mess up the total shape of the lash. That's the hardest part. And then you just wanna take any of the excess glue off. This one's pretty gluey. All right, we'll put this one on now. So you want to get in there and just drop it right in there, like that. And now I'll let it dry. See that? I've been talking a lot about the Cover FX. This is the blurring primer. Look, I'm sticking. Look what happens with hooded lids. This is the real stuff I'm talking about. No problem. Just bring it back down and tell that lash to calm the F down. This is what happens to people with hooded lids. All my hooded lid ladies, can I get a what? I went in there and let it dry. I could have scraped it off with a little mascara wand. But you know what? We get back on our feet, hooded ladies. Hashtag hood lid life for reals. It's okay. See, everything has a solution. It's like life, guys. Every problem has a solution. It's whether or not you want to face that problem with a solution and get out of whatever mess you're in. I apply that to my makeup and to my life. Can I get a what? Do you guys know what I mean? So, if you are not getting along with your loved ones, having a fight with a friend or an aunt, or anyone, a colleague that you work with, all we can do is control how we react to the situation. That's really it. Words I try to practice and live by, not always as strong as I want to be, but if someone's a dick to you, you can just like pray for them. This is Armani. This is kind of the secret little weapon. The brush I put on is the Heavenly Skin brush. It's actually called the CC Plus Skin Perfecting Brush from Causemetics. I gave it away the other day. It's very light. All right, now I'm gonna use some Cle de Peau stick and just like, I have this little zit right here. I'm gonna cover that. And some something going on here. There we go. This is Makeup Forever 310. Like, how great is this? And just blend. I don't like to have any, like, I want it to all look like it's real and it's flushed. Oh, now we gotta do a red lip. This is from Lorac Alter Ego Lip Liner in Pinup. There's the red lip. Our lips are so dry. When you're doing red lips, you want to make sure your lips are so dry so it takes on all the color. Okay. Take a little powder. Set the red. And then you can take more powder. Set the whole face. This lip is Pinup from Lorac, but I'm going to add something on top. Maybe I'll just keep this. Do we like this lip? This is Maya from Thrive. Ta-da! Now we'll go in and do a little bit more mascara. There we go. Take a little Hoola Lite. Thanks, guys. I love you. You're a delight. Thanks for joining me. Pass the word, watch my YouTube, keep telling me what you want to see and I'll try to bring it to you. I have never had lipstick on in my whole life and I'm 43. Am I missing out? Chantel, you know what's great about lipstick? It can come right off. So try it out. Give it a whirl. What do you got to lose? You only live once, honey. Do it. I dare ya. Do it. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for joining. Do the lipstick. That's the moral of the story today. Do the lipstick.